Welcome once again to the Success Stories series CAT 2025. We have Kshitija Srivastav with us today. Thank you, Kshitija, for joining us. And at the onset, first of all, please tell us कि आपका बैचलर्स में क्या बैकग्राउंड है एंड कौन से कॉलेजेस से कॉल्स थे.
So I've done bachelor's in electronics and computer engineering from Vellore Institute of Technology. मुझे calls थे IIM Kozhikode, Indore, Shillong, CAP calls, JAP calls, IIFT and a few other IIMs, Amritsar, Sambalpur.
Few others, बहुत थे. Okay.
तो ये सारे calls थे. इनमें से I've converted Shillong, which is the one that I've logged in for now. I'm on the waitlist for Indore and Kozhikode, and I'll hope for the best, but let's see.
Yeah, nothing like Blackie. So, coming to your preparations journey, I know आप counseling के लिए आए थे, initially चीज़ें compare कर रहे थे, evaluate कर रहे थे, but once you were here, you were preparing along with full-time work.
Yes.
And to what I know, it comes with its own challenge. How did you manage two things at a time?
I mean, it was definitely difficult. मेरा job timings भी थोड़ा सा weird रहता था because every month it would change. जैसे कभी कभी 4 PM to 1 AM, कभी कभी 8 PM to 5 AM, तो हर month का schedule काफ़ी अलग रहता था. But I mean, that was a commitment that I had to make. अगर work days हैं तो या तो सुबह थोड़ा जल्दी उठ के 2 घंटा कॉन्ट कर लो, रात को सोने के पहले थोड़ा सा LRDI कर लो, बीच बीच में टाइम मिले तो रीड द मटेरियल्स दैट आर देयर ताकि RC का स्पीड रहे थोड़ा. बाकी कवर अप वीकेंड्स पे करना पड़ता था, तो आई हैड टू सैक्रिफाइस वीकेंड्स का टाइम. आई कुड नॉट डू एनीथिंग एल्स. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मेरे को फोकस करना पड़ता था बिकॉज अदरवाइज वीकडेज में मेरे से उतना कवर अप नहीं हो पाता था, तो इट वाज अ ट्रेड ऑफ दैट आई हैड टू पिक अप.
Good. Beyond mental fatigue, physical fatigue, there is something called commitment. Very well said, Kshitija. Coming to how did CL help, whether in terms of classes, material, mocks, talk us through at length.
Yes, I actually have a lot to say on that क्योंकि मेरा work schedule इतना ज़्यादा exhausting रहता था. I did not have the strength or the mental space to make a proper timetable. I mean to each its own. लेकिन मेरे लिए वो चीज़ नहीं हो पा रही थी, तो I had given that up from my side completely to CL. मैंने ब्लाइंडली बस फॉलो किया है, मैंने अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाया, मैंने बस ब्लाइंडली फॉलो किया है. भाविन सर, निकुंज सर से मैं बात कर लेती थी एंड देन बेस्ड ऑन वॉट एवर दे से, इफ निकुंज सर हैड टोल्ड मी कि 2 घंटा काउंट करो रोज, तो 2 घंटा काउंट होगा. कैसे होगा वो मेरे को देखना है, बट उन्होंने कहा है तो वो करना है. तो बस जो वो लोग कह रहे हैं मैं वो फॉलो करती जाती थी. भाविन सर बता देते थे मॉक्स का फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना रखो. कई बार मॉक्स में नंबर्स नहीं आते थे, मतलब बिल्कुल ही नहीं आते थे शुरुआत में. तो हाउ टू गेट ओवर दैट, हाउ टू नॉट कनेक्ट योर सेल्फ विद द परसेंटाइल दैट यूर गेटिंग ऑन अ मॉक एंड स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. करते रहो, मॉक्स देते रहो, इवेंचुअली आ ही जाएगा. मतलब कितना ही गलती होगा, आ ही जाएगा. तो इट वॉज कम्प्लीटली एवरीथिंग वॉज अप टू CL. वॉट एवर दे टोल्ड मी आई डिड दैट. Other than that, I'd also taken, मेरा VRC बहुत वीक था in the sense जो मैंने first few mocks दिए थे उसमें I got like a 0 or a 4 out of जितना भी होता है. तो that was a very very weak spot for me. So for that, I'd also taken the VRC 1000 course, which is beyond the classroom program. That also helped me a lot, like a lot actually, because I went from a 0 to a 33 raw score in the final CAT paper.
Wow.
So that definitely would not have happened if I had not taken that course. But again, that course also had its own thing where you have to keep giving a lot of mocks in the sense sectionals. So I would just keep giving those sectionals, and eventually things kept going better than what it was on the previous day. So I mean, yes, my preparation was fully CL.
Good to know that. And the way you said, initial mocks में बिल्कुल ही score नहीं आ रहा था. वहाँ से लेके what was your final percentile in CAT?
So I got a 96.89 finally in CAT. And I think the proudest thing for me was BRC में 0 नहीं आएंगे.
Yeah, क्योंकि अगर हमें सिचुएशन पता है हम कितना पानी में हैं, वहाँ से to be able to score this is definitely satisfying. It sounds accomplished. Coming to the next part, any specific suggestion or inputs that you want to give the next set of students in CAT 26-27?
Yes, I think सबका कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. आई थिंक देयर आर वेरी फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स जो सब छोड़ के ही प्रिपेयर कर पाते हैं. सबके पास या तो कॉलेज चलता रहेगा या तो वर्क लाइफ रहेगा. You have to make that commitment and you have to give in a few extra hours. कुछ ही टाइम का बात है. After that you know you're gonna get the result. So give that extra 2 hours of the day to the preparation, and I think that is enough. अगर आपने sufficient number of days ये चीज़ करी है, that is enough. And follow one material. जो भी एक material पकड़ लो और बस वो follow करते रहो. But make sure you follow it to the end. I tried a lot initially. कोई चीज़ चालू करूँगी, थोड़ा सा करूँगी, and if in 10 days I'm not seeing results, I'll switch to something else. 10 days nothing happens, I'll switch to something else. That does not work. Take one thing that you can put your trust into, and then do it end to end. That is definitely going to help.
Yeah, you heard it straight from the horse's mouth. We as trainers never want to tell you कि CL के अलावा और कुछ मत पढ़ो, but this is the reason, right, कि कोहेरेंस की बात है. अलग अलग लेवल पे मॉक्स हैं, PYQs कवर्ड हैं, DILR 1000, VARC 1000 जैसे नगेट प्रोडक्ट्स भी हैं. ठीक है, एट टाइम्स ये फोमो होता है, मैं ये भी कर लूँ, बट इट्स नॉट अबाउट द क्वांटिटी अल्टीमेटली, right? The kind of coverage that you do by identifying your SWOT, that matters more. Resources, we are neutral in saying that हर रिसोर्स अच्छा ही है, प्रीवियस कैट के बेसिस पे बना हुआ रिसोर्स ही है, बट आप इफ्स एंड बट्स करते रह जाओगे, दो चीज़ें अलग अलग तरीके से करोगे, इट विल क्रिएट chaos. So that's a very good point. Coming to the next part, I think throw some light on the interview, or let's say VAT or GD preparations, and if not preparations, the core experience itself, beyond whether you converted that college or not, any core learning or experience that you can talk about once you went for that second round.
Yes, I'll start from, I think I'd given one of the mock interviews here in CL. There was someone called from, I think there was an ex-MDI student who had taken one of my interviews, and वो interview देने के बाद मुझे समझा कि ठीक है, you need to prepare, like this is not it. But because I was prepared, I was thinking that I was preparing for a few days, but it's more about the depth of the thing that you're talking about in these interviews, which is what I experienced in, I think, all of my interviews. If I had to talk about one experience, I think I'll talk about the IIM Kozhikode interview. That has to be one of the most pressurized test I had given because I think there were two faculties, and the kinds of question they ask is one thing, and the kind of environment that's another. First of all, I knew that's one of my best calls, and that has its own pressure. After I went inside, one of the faculties, while asking questions, he's walking around, like he stands up from his chair and he's walking around, and I'm thinking to myself, do I wait for him to like complete that, or should I like just keep saying? It's like a confusion, and they can see that on my face as well, that okay, she is confused, or she's at least not, she's getting distracted, if that's the right word. And the other faculty, he was trying to create a situation where he was dozing off while I'm talking, and I knew he wasn't, but that's what he was doing. And I think the distraction that creates while I'm answering, because I know my answers are good enough, not good enough, but I am confident on them. But if someone who's taking your interview, who has it in his hands to decide my fate, is doing something like that, I would have obviously be extremely scared. So that kind of pressure is going to be there in each of these interviews. I mean, for every interview it's different, a different story, but I think Kozhikode was one of the hardest interviews I've given.
Yeah, these kind of things are predominantly done to take you off guard and to see how do you tackle that out of the comfortable zone situations. Because yes, they know, those are prolific experts who know कि आपने अपने hygiene question के answers, long term goal, why MBA, ये सब prepare करा ही होगा, बट ऐसा स्ट्रेस क्रिएट करके वो चेक करते हैं कि लॉन्ग टर्म आप वहाँ सस्टेन कर पाओगे या नहीं. मोर देन दैट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्रॉस फंक्शनल वे में सस्टेन कर पाओगे या नहीं. सो गुड टू हियर दैट एक्सपीरियंस. आई एम श्योर इट विल हेल्प आवर ऑडियंस. So any specific instance or memory that stuck with you during your preparation journey with us?
I do have one actually. I mean, there are a lot, but if I have to point out one, that would be, मैंने कुछ मॉक्स दिए थे शुरुआत में, एंड माय रिजल्ट्स वर सो बैड. जितना एक सेक्शन में आना चाहिए उतना मेरे को तीनों मिला के आ रहा था, एंड दैट वाज सो बैड. एंड I did not expect that from me. I was really disappointed, and I came to the coaching. I was talking to Bhavin sir, or I was completely broken down while I was talking to him, and he just gave me this reassurance that तुम mock देती ही जाओ, results will fall in place. You don't connect yourself to the number that you are getting. तुम बस देती जाओ. अभी when you submit it, close the laptop. Don't see the number. अभी तुम अपने आप को you're trying to do the endurance part of it कि 2 घंटे बैठ के you can concentrate completely. We are building that अभी. उसके बाद हम धीमे धीमे number वाले part पे जाएंगे and how to improve each one of them. And I think that sort of reassurance was exactly something I required at that time, because I was already very exhausted with the preparation and work and everything, and things not working out. So I think that has to be one of my core memories.
ट्रू सी काफ़ी बार चीज़ें रॉकेट साइंस नहीं होती हैं, है ना. कैट विल टेस्ट यू नॉट जस्ट ऑन IQ बट ऑल्सो द टेम्परामेंट पार्ट, है ना. द अर्गोनॉमिक्स का भी प्रेपरेशन जो होता है, वेल सेड. आई मीन इट हेल्प्स, एंड ये ज़रा भी शुगर कोटेड स्टोरी नहीं है. इट हैपन्स विद 90% ऑफ यू. आई मीन आई एम वेटिंग फॉर समवन हु कम्स एंड टेल्स मी कि पहले मॉक में मेरा 75 स्कोर था, यू नो. इट डजंट हैपन. ओवरनाइट मैजिक तो होता नहीं है. This is how the grind is all about. This is how you approach your ultimate goal. That's about it. Thank you for joining today.
Thank you so much
thank
for
you
having
all.
me.
Yeah.